This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to do the 7-day free trial for the Nintendo Switch Online. This is very easy to access. You can access this through the Nintendo eShop right here. Select this, choose your profile and sign in, and then we have to wait for it to load. So this orange thing is going to go back and forth, and then we want to go to our profile in the upper right, select it, and then we can go to Nintendo Switch Online. And then we can go over to the right and go to membership options. And under here we will have the option for a 7-day free trial. So we just have to wait for this load. And here it is, free trial. And it says unless you cancel by the end of the free trial, you will be enrolled in automatic renewal. So you probably have to enter in your credit card. And then you're going to be charged $4 for every 30 days. So you might want to go ahead and cancel that out as soon as you do the free trial. Otherwise, just do one of these longer memberships. It's only 20 bucks for 12 months, so don't do the 1 month at all. And then you can back out here, and you can see your subscriptions. So you can cancel out over here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.